Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the passwords and security. Then let's tap on fingerprint unlock, and before we will be able to set the fingerprint as a screen lock, we'll have to set like a basic screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So let me choose the pattern, for example. This is the thing I've just told you, so that's okay. Just tap on got it, and now let me draw the pattern. Let's redraw it and confirm. Alright, here we've got the tip about the screen protector. Because the fingerprint sensor is on the screen, using the screen protector may affect the reliability of the fingerprint sensor, or actually affect the usage of it. So be aware about that. So just tap on got it, and as you can see here we've got the fingerprint scanner. So all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor right now, and we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every part of your fingertip for better recognition, of course. Okay, it has been done. I don't want to add face data. All right, let's tap on done. As you can see here, we've got the fingerprint unlock section. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. We can add another fingerprint, and I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. I mean, it is a usual number of the fingerprints which we can add. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, and the lock screen is kind of set by default. Of course, you can turn off this option, and you can use the fingerprint for privacy, password, app lock. You can set some kind of shortcuts and fingerprint payments. Up to you, everything. There we've got the fingerprint animation. It's up to you. It's just a customization section. Just tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. Only 4. Shame. Just tap on the option like to use, and then go back. And then you can decide whether you want to feel the vibration while unlocking. There we've got also the low light fingerprint unlock and show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. To be honest, just think about what you want to do with the fingerprint unlock sensor, etc., because you really have to customize it just accordingly to your liking. All right, let me lock the device. Enough of talking, and let's check if it is working. So we've got the scanner, which is good. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.